Hey everyone. Another beautiful sunny day. Today is Valentine's Day, and as the good husband I am, of course I go out solo camping. So romantic. Yeah, jokes aside, Vivi's working all day, so all night. So we're gonna celebrate tomorrow because we have our 1 year anniversary. Big day. So today will be a great day. I will cook some delicious food. I will make some coffee drink. I have 4 beers. 3 of them are very exciting. So yeah, let's hike for about 1 hour more and then we find a place. So shelter is up, and you might ask yourself, like in a survival situation, what would be the next step, the most important thing to do after the shelter? And we all know the answer is, of course, drinking a beer. So skål, everyone. Let's start with boiling the potatoes. I'm gonna make like a ground beef mushroom stuff in a pan with some cream. It's gonna be really good. Let's put in some soy sauce, some balsamico vinegar, and some cream, and let it cook for another 5 minutes, and it should be finished. So the food is ready, and to that I'm gonna have this one. It's a Ringu, an imperial stout with coconut. It's 13%, so it's pretty strong. So let's open this and let's grab down. Wow, that's a good sweet stout. Amazing. Let's try this. That's delicious. So simple, yet so delicious. Delicious, nutritious. That beer was great. Really good. Really sweet. You guys, you know I love that. Sweet stout. Sweet, strong, thick, creamy. Coconut, vanilla. Oh, perfect. I know some people think those imperial stouts are too expensive, but it's not a beer. It's like a culinary journey. You pay for an experience, not a beer. Yeah, I think it's well worth spending some money on a imperial stout. I still haven't made up my mind if I can be such a scumbag husband that sleeps out when it's Valentine's Day. Let's see. I don't know. So I'm gonna do a coffee drink with coffee, brown sugar and Amarula. And to that I'm going to have the Perdomo Fresco Robusto Maduro. I don't know if you can see, but yeah, I think it's a good combination. So let's make the coffee and light the cigar. Ah, that's delicious. This cigar was good. It was nothing special really, just a good Robusto Maduro, but yeah, really good with the coffee, with the Amarula coffee. Let's try the ice. So the third beer. It's really exciting. It's a sour ale. It's a lick the lemon. It's a lemon licorice sour ale made by Bildale. Yeah, a refreshing sour ale spiced with bright yellow lemons and dusty black licorice. Let's try it. Yeah, very citrus. Skål, brothers and sisters. Yeah, that was really sour. It's mostly lemon. I cannot really taste the licorice. It's a good beer to drink in between stouts to get a completely different taste. So yeah, it was really good, really refreshing. Really refreshing. It would be perfect in the summer, I think. A real summer beer. Yeah, cool. It's quiet. Oh, I love this. Oh, so nice, so quiet and nice. Oh, lovely. And I saved the most exciting beer for last. I'm not gonna drink it yet. I'm gonna wait until it's getting a little bit dark. But it's this one. It's a collaboration between Basculand and Almonds, and it's a 9th anniversary beer. It says Imperial Pastry Stout, coffee, vanilla, hazelnut, caramel. It's 12%. So this one I'm really looking forward to. Let's try that exciting beer. Smells good. Skål! Yeah, it's very good. Yeah, definitely a little bit more caramel, vanilla, hazelnut, coffee, chocolate. Yeah, really good. Oh, good morning. I slept really warm, but this goes down to -18, and I think it was -6 or something like that. 11 hours. That's great. Let's get up and just pack up and get home to Vivi. We're going out for dinner tonight, so let's start the day. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I had a great camping, so I'm really satisfied. And I hope you liked it too. And yeah, take care everyone. Till next time.